What's up, YouTube? I just love it when a customer comes in. So the phone call was, you have time to check my exhaust. And April said, well, if you're just looking for an estimate, drop it off. So what does this fucking guy do? He drives over and weasels his way in. So I put the car up in the air. The rear converter flange is rotted out. It's an older Camry. The whole system's shit. And in the back, he has clamps and flexible tubing holding the muffler to the center pipe. So I tell April his minimum repairs are going to be a cut and weld in a rear converter and take apart his rigged up, patched up shit at the back of the muffler and fix that as well while we're in there. And then he goes and then April tells him it's $450 to fix the car, right? Fair. We're not trying to sell you the whole system, right? Minimum repairs, 2 sections. One you already knew was fucked up because you rigged it up yourself, and the other section fell apart because it's in need of repair. And he tells April, oh, no, just the center section, not the back. You don't tell me how to fix your car. You pay me to fix your car, but you don't tell me how I'm going to repair your car. We're the repair facility, we're the repair providers. Why would I try and fix your center pipe knowing the back section's ready to fall off your car?